Hi, family. So, word on the street is that Joe Biden is quietly trying to plan to kill crypto. Now, if he's going to implement this, according to Forbes, it's going to kill billions of dollars of value. It's going to go away, just be erased. They're creating this article because of this massive run that cryptocurrencies has been on over the last couple of weeks. Understand that. That's the reason why Forbes is trying to create this content. When things are going great, they got to throw some shade in on the great movement that's been occurring into the markets, just to begin to make you wonder, okay, yeah, maybe we are at the top. Maybe we do need to come in and sell our cryptocurrencies. Because now you get all these hypotheticals, all of these doubts now coming through from these articles. Planning to kill crypto? Like, how long are they going to continue to come out with these titles, with the content, trying to make us nervous that cryptocurrencies are going to go kaput, that is going to go down to zero? Now, will crypto come back down? Of course. Every asset, every instrument has its ebbs and flows. It goes up, goes down. But in the end, will it be higher than where it is today? Apparently, a lot of the market thinks that it will be. So even though Biden is trying to, quote, kill crypto, do you really think it's going to have a big impact in the long term? It all depends on how you see this title. Some people may think that is bad. Some people may think that is terrible information. Others will see it as an opportunity. Like, yeah, let this come out. How is he going to try to destroy crypto? Because that might be a buying opportunity. It all depends on how you see or view the information. Now, I'm not talking about visually seeing with your eyes, with your cornea. I'm talking about mentally. How do you view this information? Is it good or bad? Because this isn't new. If you've been in the cryptocurrency space, you already know that people, governments has tried to ban or try to knock off crypto, and it's not working no matter what they do. And as you can still see, they're still up to the old tricks. Bitcoin and crypto prices have surged back this year, thrusting Bitcoin into the limelight and causing Donald Trump to make a surprise crypto flip. Everyone's going to flip because they're going to see how vital Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies will be in a system of market chaos. Michael Saylor, BlackRock, many businesses are accumulating Bitcoin for that purpose alone. They want to at least reserve the wealth that they have accumulated. So they're trying to place it in something that will withhold market uncertainty. So why not you? Why aren't you preparing for market chaos, for a recession, for a depression? Because all of the debt that is being printed out across the world, it will have to run to a safe haven somewhere. When money flees, it's going to flee to the proper place that people think that they can withhold value, or that they can at least keep majority of their wealth safe. And you're seeing it happen in real time right now. These massive conglomerates of businesses switching over from taking out bonds to buying Bitcoin with it. The Bitcoin price topped $73,000 per Bitcoin this week, eclipsing its 2021 previous all-time high and propelling the price of smaller cryptocurrencies Ethereum and XRP and Solana higher. The world's largest asset manager, BlackRock, eyes a 90 trillion crypto bonanza. 90 trillion. Yeah, they're not crazy. They already know where we're going to go. And they're just preparing themselves. 90 trillion? What if that's underestimated? What if they get that wrong? And it's not 90 trillion, it's way more than that. And we're just in the beginning stages still. Yes, Bitcoin made all-time highs, but it's nothing compared to where they see cryptocurrency going. 90 trillion? New millionaires, billionaires will be created from the influx of people placing money in these crypto projects on these blockchains. And as you can see, as Tesla billionaire Elon Musk makes a dramatic return to the front lines of crypto, i.e., pumping meme coins, Joe Biden has been accused of trying to destroy crypto in the US and wipe out billions of dollars of investor value. Now, for real, think about that. Is he really trying to do that during an election year? Will he actually try to push through and knock off the value of these cryptocurrency projects? Why would he want to do that? We already know that the dollar is the currency of value right now across the world. Everyone wants to transact in dollars. But that's not going to last forever. So do he really want to put his name on being the president to knock off crypto? This week, the Biden administration reintroduced, understand these words, reintroduced. So apparently they did it before. What happened to it then? What? It didn't work? It didn't impact cryptocurrency as a whole? Because the people are letting you know they could care less about what the administration is trying to do. They want crypto. They reintroduced a controversial proposal for a tax on Bitcoin and crypto miners who use high power computers to secure these crypto networks. So they want a tax. So off of Forbes, off of this article, the way that they want to destroy crypto is by taxing crypto. Now, my question to you would be, you can only tax that which you create, right? Okay, I get it. Did the United States create Bitcoin? They created the dollar, so I could get that they can actually tax that which they created. So you created the dollar, you can do whatever you want with it. You can tax it. But did they create Bitcoin? No, they didn't. See, that's why this sentence is telling you that they're trying to tax Bitcoin and crypto miners. So all of the businesses based in America that's been created under the structure, the jurisdiction of United States code and law, those crypto miners, they can be taxed because they were birthed from the laws of the United States. So what do you think is going to happen when they try to push this new tax on crypto miners? Let's keep it real. What do you think is going to happen? Because what's going to happen is these crypto miners are just going to move overseas. They're going to move to a more crypto friendly area, jurisdiction, which is going to take away from the viability of the United States. See, that's why they're trying to reintroduce this, because the first time they saw what happened, they saw people leaving. These crypto miners up and left America and went to other countries that was more friendlier to cryptocurrencies, like El Salvador. That's going to happen again. So, like I said, do the United States want to place themselves behind the 8 ball in crypto because these other countries are taking advantage of this technology? America, the U.S. government wants to take care of it. Wants to take advantage of it too, but they want to do it by taxes. Quote, any firm using computer resources, whether owned by the firm or leased from others, to mine digital assets will be subject to an excise tax equal to 30% of the cost of electricity used in digital asset mining, end quote. The U.S. Treasury Department wrote in a 2025 revenue proposal. 30%. If people don't want to pay taxes, what do? Especially when it's related to crypto. They can up and move. So they're trying to put this in their revenue proposal for 2025. A major state proposal. Quote, implementing a blanket 30% federal tax on digital mining will certainly kill the sector and wipe out billions of dollars of investor value virtually immediately in the U.S. The chief executive of mining hardware company Sunnyside Digital told DL News. Yeah, I don't know how to pronounce that name, so I just left it. But get what he's saying. Billions of dollars will be wiped out in the U.S. See, it's not going to be wiped out in other countries that's friendly to Bitcoin, that's friendly to crypto miners. They're going to see that as an opportunity. It won't kill the sector. Yeah, it might hurt it. It may drop prices down, which, like I told you in the beginning of the video, it may just be an opportunity just to load up. The digital asset mining energy tax, that's what they're going to call it, DAME. Digital asset mining energy tax. See, they can only tax that which they control. They're not talking about taxing Bitcoin per se. They're going to tax the mining companies that's trying to mine the Bitcoin. So to me, I just think the miners are just going to leave and go somewhere else. It was proposed a year ago, which imposed a 30% excise tax on Bitcoin and crypto miners' electricity costs, likely forcing them to flee the country as they did from China when it cracked down on miners in 2021. You already got history. So here it is. Biden wants to reintroduce, and you already know what happened the last time when China tried to do it. Make it make sense. These governments are trying to rank in crypto. That's what you're seeing. Like, what's the point of taxing Bitcoin? What's the point of taxing crypto miners? They're trying to figure out, okay, can we actually tax them? Like, does crypto miners fall under our jurisdiction? Because if they do, then they will tax them. But if it don't, they won't, they can't. This is where court cases, Supreme Court cases, will have to hear these matters. This is what the Wild Wild West was like. Uncharted territory where no rules have been made. We're literally on like a new frontier with cryptocurrency. So what do you guys think about it? Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.